Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to reset maintenance light Toyota Avalon only ways. Turn the ignition to on without starting, set the display to ODO, press and hold the trip reset button, turn ignition OFF then on, while holding the button, watch for dashes or a blinking counter. Release when the display changes, verify the maintenance light is off, and start the engine to confirm the reset completed successfully. Begin by making sure the car is safe and stationary, with park engaged and the parking brake on. Cycle the key to on so dash lights illuminate, but do not start the motor. Press and hold the trip reset button firmly, then turn the key OFF and back to on while still holding the button. Keep holding until you see the odometer flash or dashes appear, then release and confirm the maintenance light has cleared. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like if it's helpful. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice as a small, refreshing touch you'll notice every drive. I've linked it and other deals in the video description, so check there for details and offers. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. If the light does not clear the first time, don't worry. Repeat the entire reset sequence slowly and make sure you held the trip button through the ignition cycle. Weak battery voltage can interrupt the process, so check the battery if the display acts flaky. When repeated attempts fail, it likely indicates a stored fault that requires professional diagnostics, so schedule a shop visit to read codes and confirm repairs before resetting again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.